This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 6th of November. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather featuring a few showers around today. We'll have the chance of showers each day through Sunday, but the rain will not be distributed very evenly. It's not really the kind of rain we need to break a drought, but we'll take any rain we can get, and we're still watching Rafael, a hurricane that's over western Cuba this afternoon. Let's begin with the radar view. We're live here this afternoon at 2:52, and you can see we have just scattered showers moving through parts of North Alabama. Showers parts of Cullman, Blount, Jefferson, Marshall, Jackson counties. And again, nothing especially heavy, but underneath that, the rain is moderate in spots. Go down south, and you can see also we have showers in progress in parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties down in southwest Alabama. Again, some pretty decent rain falling in scattered pockets there. When a shower comes through, it rains pretty heavily for a brief time, then it moves on. Go over to southeast Alabama. Same thing. Scattered showers in progress there. Some decent rain falling in parts of Coffee, Dale, Barber, Geneva counties. Those showers gradually marching northward. And while we're touring the state, we'll check the high-top radar. This is for northeast Alabama. And again, some decent showers coming up through parts of Madison, Jackson, Marshall, and DeKalb counties. And again, we'll see showers like this around over the next several days. And again, it's not the big, widespread soaking rain we need, but again, when you're in a drought, you'll take whatever you can get. Here's the upper air look, and again, the pattern very stagnant. We have a trough in the west, ridge in the east, and we are under the ridge. But again, we've got a stalled surface boundary west of the state, and with that being the case and a pretty decent flow of moisture coming up, we'll have that chance of showers around each day. Visible satellite view. A lot of clouds around, although the sun is out in spots. And again, here's the radar composite. That's a pretty good rain falling off to the east in parts of central Georgia this afternoon, south of Atlanta. Temperatures remain unseasonably mild. And if you look carefully, you'll see a few low 80s on the western side of the state. For example, Reform 81, Demopolis in Utah 83. How about that for a November day? Anniston sitting at 80. Birmingham at 77. Most of the major reporting stations are in the 70s. Dothan 75 with rain showers nearby. The same thing for Mobile. They've got 77. Off to the east, where we got that widespread rain falling, flash flood watches for parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Florida. And again, back in the western states, winter storm warnings for parts of Colorado and New Mexico. They've had some big snow out there for the past 24 hours underneath that cold trough. And again, it's a high amplitude pattern. If you're under the trough, cold and snowy, under the ridge, very mild, and not much rain. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. A marginal risk around the Florida Keys, and that's with Rafael. This is tomorrow, a chance of strong to severe storms over about the western two-thirds of Texas. And on day 3, which is Friday, got a marginal risk again through parts of Texas. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. And I'm afraid, again, the rain distribution not even, so it's hard to make these maps almost like summertime. Many spots they'll have a chance of getting 1 inch of rain over the next 7 days. Now, between now and Sunday, really. And after Sunday, the weather next week trends pretty dry. So we'll check weather in the tropics. That's the big picture. We have Rafael. It's over the western tip of Cuba. Little feature that is east of the Bahamas. And the Hurricane Center giving that a 30% chance of becoming a depression or storm over the next 7 days. But there's a look at Rafael. This thing is ramped up, sustained winds 115 miles per hour. And again, this thing's pretty much on the verge of becoming a major hurricane, but it won't last long like that. Again, this is coming over the western part of Cuba this afternoon. Here's the track from the National Hurricane Center. They've adjusted it southward again. And the European won this one. We had that split camp. The GFS tried to bring it up into the central Gulf Coast as a dissipating tropical low. The European kept it far south, and again, that's pretty much going to be the situation. And in terms of the intensity, again, you can see the Hurricane Center keeps this thing at Category 2 strength all the way through 48 hours, but then it weakens very rapidly over the weekend, and by Sunday night or Monday, this thing should be just a sheared out, dissipating, non-tropical feature down in the Gulf of Mexico. And again, you can see the latest guidance has it far, far south of the central Gulf Coast. No impact where we are. There's the ATCF set. There's the GFS. And there's the European. And again, the European with that solution farther to the south, most of the members there. And again, the intensity guidance, this thing will be peaking in the next 24 hours. Then the system weakens rapidly and fizzles out by Sunday night or Monday because of sheer dry air and cooler SSTs, sea surface temperatures. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Big trough in the west, ridge here in the southeast. And again, for us, scattered showers a possibility. Don't think it rains that much. The better chance of showers in the Gulf Coast. And even there, it's not going to rain all day. And it's going to be another warm November day. Many spots will likely see 80-degree warmth tomorrow under the ridge. And again, if you're looking for cold and snowy weather, head west, Colorado, New Mexico. They got winter storm warnings in effect there. Huge amounts of snow likely. So this is Friday. And really, with the ridge, could there be a few showers around? Yes, but probably not that many. It looks like showers on Friday should be pretty widely scattered, so that bodes well for high school football playoff games Friday night. Still, there could be a few showers around, absolutely, but probably not many. And look at the snow still cranking up out there in Colorado, New Mexico. Maybe some strong storms for Texas. Saturday as the weekend begins. Just spotty showers, scattered showers around. Raphael far to the south. And again, a cold front stretching from near Columbia, Missouri down to Houston. And that will probably bring some rain to Louisiana. A lot of questions about the Alabama-LSU game. Now, this is the GFS solution. This is the European solution. It looks drier for Louisiana. And we all know the European's been performing much better, but I think no doubt we'll need to mention a chance of showers in Baton Rouge Saturday night. Probably nothing too heavy. Could there be some thunder and lightning? Yes. But again, it's not going to rain all night, and hopefully this European solution will be the way it works out, where the showers should be pretty widely scattered. But no doubt, if you're going to the Alabama-LSU game in Baton Rouge, take the rain gear. Again, the weather stays mild. Highs on Saturday will be up there in the upper 70s and low 80s. Sunday, again, scattered showers about. Raphael beginning to fizzle out. We'll go to Monday. Maybe a few showers about. Tuesday, just isolated showers, mostly dry. And a week from today, Wednesday, November 13th, trough coming out across the Great Plains states. But we've still got ridging here, and that looks pretty dry. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, November 16th. Same thing. Trough in the west, ridge in the east. I know people are tired of this pattern that's very stagnant. But it is what it is, and if this is right, the weather mild and dry. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. We're looking for the green line on that chart. That's the mean. About 2.5 inches between now and the 21st of November. Temperatures coming off the NBM will be close to 80 through Saturday, then 70s for the first half of next week. And then evidence, we'll see highs dropping in the 60s and lows dropping in the 40s by the end of next week and that following weekend, the weekend of the 15th and 16th, which is much more seasonal. However, the new 8 to 14-day guidance just in looks the same. I promise we're showing you different maps every day. It's just the fact that the upper air pattern is stagnant. This is for November 14th through November 20th. Temperatures below average in the west, above average in the east, with that high amplitude setup there. So let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Had a great time today. The Alberta School of the Performing Arts in Tuscaloosa. Ooh, boy, they were great today. Had a great time. And look at that cake. Yeah, I got a 7-day forecast on there. Respect the polygon. We talked about the science behind weather, meteorology, convection, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes. A really, really good session today. Love visiting that school. Of course, their school building was destroyed by that horrible EF4 tornado back in April 27, 2011. But that's an amazing place. Great teachers, great students. So again, to all those kids at the Alberta School of the Performing Arts in Tuscaloosa, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. All right, so one more time, we'll check the radar as we about to wrap this up. We're live here at 3:02. And again, scattered showers over most of the state. And again, we'll take any rain we can get. I'm afraid we're not going to see a big, widespread soaking type rain with any tropical feature, as it looks like Raphael will stay well to the south of here. But again, some pretty good showers. In fact, see some thunder, lightning and thunder coming up through parts of Baldwin County, around Stapleton, south of Bay Minette, gradually moving towards the northwest. And again, over in the southeastern part of the state, same thing. We've got some pretty decent showers over parts of Coffee, Dale, Barber, Geneva, Covington counties, all of that marching to the north. So again, we'll see those around for the next few days, and we'll take what we can get. Tomorrow, going to be over in Sharpsburg, Georgia, to see my buddies at Poplar Road Elementary School. Friday, going to be at Mount Olive Elementary School in North Jefferson County. And Saturday, we've got a book signing in Tallahassee. Hey, the 1220 Cafe. It's going to be a lot of fun. That's at 1220 Gilmer Avenue, downtown Tallahassee. We're going to be there between 10 and 1. And if you've never been to one of these, they're great fun. We take a lot of pictures. We'll have all the cool weather shirts from Crest Publishers. We'll have the children's books, the Benny and Chipper series, Prepared Not Scared, The Wonder of Thunder. We'll have All You Can Do Is Pray. That's our book about April 27, 2011. We mentioned that Tuscaloosa tornado. That was one of 62 tornadoes in the state that day. Weathering Life, My Story, and much more. So again, the 1220 Cafe in Tallahassee, Saturday from 10 to 1. And of course, we invite you to watch us on the TV side this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.